Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the case from OtterBox. This is the Lumen series passport, and it has MagSafe, so it will be compatible with MagSafe. And it has, I think it has the Tokyo, Japan map printed on the back. So it is 3 times as many drops as military standards. Supports that's designed for iPhone. I think it's for iPhone 14 or 15. We're gonna try with a 15. Grippy sides. Case is made with 50% recycled material. Slick, pocket-friendly profile. So yeah, let's have a look. Nothing else. Like some instructions, but I'm not gonna bother opening them from there. So yeah, let's have a quick look around the case. So that's the MagSafe. It seems like it's made of silicone. The power button is covered, as well as the volume up and down. That's where you have access to your sound, if you can disable or enable it. And yeah, all the cutouts down, and the camera is raised. So yeah, and it has a really nice backed design, a map, and it's smoked gray in terms of the color. So let's just try with the iPhone 15. So yeah, fits like a glove. So yeah, compared to the one I had before, the most important thing is like it fits really well, and it looks very slick. And yeah, it's not slippery at all. I don't know what is this treated with, but other similar cases, like I can barely drag my finger around. So I quite like it. Now the question is, would this fit an iPhone 14 as well? So let's just try that. Take it out. So let's see with the iPhone 14. Looks like it could fit. Volume up, everything perfect. It fits perfectly with the iPhone 14 as well. So yeah, guys, there you have it. This case will fit your iPhone 15 or iPhone 14. It has a nice and slick design with the map, Tokyo map on the back. It has MagSafe, and all the cutouts are correctly done. You have the volume up and down, and the power button covered, and yeah, and it has this clever material that it prevents it from slipping off your hand. Look, if I hold it like this, it's so hard to take it out. Yeah. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching.